குட் மார்னிங் சூஸ். இது எனக்கு நிஜமாலுமே ஒரு பெரிய ஹெல்ப். என்னோடய லைஃபோட பெரிய ஜேர்னியில் நீங்கள் எனக்கு ஒரு இம்பார்ட்டண்டான ஒரு ரோல் ப்ளே பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க. சின்ஸ் நான் என்னோடய 12th போர்டு எக்ஸாம் முடிஞ்சு வேறு 5 months, ஈவன் அந்த 1 month இருக்கும்போது கூட எங்களுக்கு வந்துட்டு சின்ஸ் தி பிகினிங், அதாவது ஸ்டார்டிங்கில் May 3rd எக்ஸாம் போது கூட எங்களுக்கு வந்துட்டு நிறைய ஒர்க் ஷீட்ஸ், நிறைய பார்ட் டெஸ்ட் போர்ஷன்ஸு நிறைய பிளான் பண்ணி நிறைய ஒர்க் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. இட்ஸ் நாட் ஈஸி திங் டு பி டன். எங்களுக்கு இண்டிவிஜுவல் செஷன்ஸ் வச்சு நம்பர் ஆஃப் செஷன்ஸ் இன் பயாலஜி, ஃபிசிக்ஸ் அண்ட் கெமிஸ்ட்ரி, பார்ட் போர்ஷன்ஸ், ஃபுல் போர்ஷன்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து அரௌண்ட் ஒரு 75-80+ கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர்ஸ் எங்களுக்கு அனுப்பி எங்களை டெஸ்ட் பண்ணி எங்களோட ஓஎம்ஆர் ஷீட்ஸ் அவங்க ஸ்கேன் பண்ணி அவங்க வந்து எங்களை எவாலுவேட் பண்ணுறது, எங்களோட டவுட்ஸை வந்து அவங்க கிளியர் பண்ணுறது, இந்த மாதிரி தே ஹேட் டன் அ நியூமரஸ் நம்பர் ஆஃப் திங்ஸ் ஃபார் அஸ். எங்களுக்கு அதே மாதிரி சாப்டர் வைஸ் ஒர்க் ஷீட்ஸ், ஒரு ஒர்க் ஷீட்டில் மினிமம் 300 கொஷின்ஸ் அவங்க ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணி அந்த தனி ஆன்சருக்கு ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணி எங்களுக்கு டெய்லியும் ஏதாவது ஒரு ஒர்க்கை கொடுத்து தே என்கேஜ் அஸ், தே மேட் அஸ் டூ இட். திஸ் ரியலி அ கிரேட் திங். ஸோ இட்ஸ் தேங்க்ஸ், இட்ஸ் ஹேட்ஸ் ஆஃப் டு தி A4A டீம். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் மேக்கிங் இட் சார். அரௌண்ட் ஒரு சாப்டருக்கு எங்களுக்கு ஒரு அரௌண்ட் 1000+ MCQs ஃபார் ஃபிசிக்ஸ், கெமிஸ்ட்ரி, பயாலஜி, 24/7 டவுட் கிளாரிஃபிகேஷன் ஃபோன் கால்ஸ், எங்களை எப்போ வேணாலும் இது பண்ணுறது. Especially on biology we had several electrifying. The complete chapter concepts were made into within 2 or 3 minutes. We had spot questioning sessions. Same was done for chemistry as well as in physics. We had number of shortcuts and easy ways to do the problems in physics and chemistry. Around ஒரு நாள் எங்களை கடைசி நாள்லாம் வந்துட்டு they motivated us a lot. எங்களுக்கு நிறைய மோட்டிவேஷன் கொடுத்து they made us to feel that we can do it. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the A4A team. Thanks for the help and the consistent encouragement and the motivation which you have given us, sir. Thanks a lot, sir.
Hello everyone, I'm Kavya, student of MIRS and also an aspiring NEET candidate. Hope I did my exams well and eagerly waiting for the results too. And thoroughly all the credits go to my E4U team as well as the teachers and faculties working in it, because of their selfless work and as well as their hard work, because they were the one who constantly motivated us. Even though when we feel low, they always make us feel high. And all these 4 to 5 months we were always interacted, and that's because of them, through online classes, YouTube classes, as well as in messaging and on-spot sessioning and 85 test series. And so I want to thank each and every one of E4U team for their work. Even though it was a tough time for all of us, they never thought about it, and all the thing which they want is to make their students' life better and cherishing. So thank you sir and ma'am for encouraging us throughout the hard time and making us do unbelievable things. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, this is Ranjana and I've been part of E4U for the past 2 years. All throughout my NEET journey, E4U team has helped me by providing study materials, regular worksheets and test series, highly enriching lectures by best faculties and constant mentoring, career guidance, lots of exposure to the reality of entrance exams. Especially during the crash course period, we had over 85 tests as a part of our preparation. The constant support has made me perform well in my exams and hoping for best results. Thank you.
Good morning. I'm Yes Varna Teresa, NEET 2020 batch student, a student of E4U. And my parents actually enrolled me in E4U when I stepped into class 11. Since then, for the past 2 years, I was getting coaching for my NEET exam, to clear my NEET examination. At E4U teachers are amazing. They gave me the extreme coaching, that is all the conceptual clarity I gained from E4U. That conceptual clarity gave me that immense confidence to attend any kind of paper, even the board examinations or else as well as any kind of examination. Because of my conceptual clarity, I would attend with full confidence. Not only that, I have been given n number of practice series and practice tests based on my examination. That is for NEET, I have been taken n number of practice tests in the 2 academic years itself. And even after the end of the academic year, when the world started lockdown, then also we haven't stopped. Our teachers' constant pushes, our constant effort made us to continue in the lockdown period also. We found our mistakes, we wrote n number of tests. Around 8 to 9 test series we wrote in the lockdown period alone. Each test series includes more than 10 to 12 tests. So approximately 75 to 80 tests we attempted in the lockdown period alone. So all those efforts, all those practices made this to perfect ourselves. Even every single nook and corner of our mistakes, of our errors have been found out. We have been discussing with our teachers. We found the place where we made the error. We worked on them, and we finally rectified those mistakes. So that step-by-step progress made us to come to an end, that we don't make any more mistakes. With all these step-by-step improvements, I gave my best in yesterday's examinations, hoping for the best results. And the teachers, the main reason for this is teachers, their constant support, their constant motivation. Till the last minute we entered the examinations room, their motivation, their words shaped me. And not only that, they gave me such an immense confidence to attend the paper like a normal paper. It attempted I did the paper so relaxed, so it gave me full potential. That is because of my teachers. I thank you so much for my teachers. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is S. Begum. Recently, I have given my NEET examination. First of all, wholeheartedly, I thank all many faculties of E4U who have supported even in this pandemic situation. To talk about my institution, of course, they are student-friendly. What city dot it may be, we will get it clarified. They made a precise understanding of our mentality at various stages of our courses. We are made familiar with the examination hall ambience. The situation had to be handled that helped a lot during our real examination. They kept each and every student as well as personally advised on our weak areas. They have adapted different strategies for different subjects to make us learn easier as well as quicker. They have almost conducted 10 test series which consists of nearly 87 papers that completely raised up our confidence. Of course, our faculties were a good mentor ever. Of course, they are the pillars of our success. Thank you so much for your support.
Hi everyone, I am Sivraj, a student of E4U Coaching Academy. I think the major problem was that everyone seeks for a better result, forgetting for what actually they were trying of. The motto of our E4U Academy is that it believes in impacting subject knowledge through innovative teachings and which were adapting to the levels of the students. Although the online classes went on well, they just created a great platform for us to prepare in a systematic way. I think I have attended a total of 85 major and minor tests, which are sorted out by 5 major test areas and some full paper discussions, and of course the electrifying performances were really helpful for us for the last crucial week preparation. God sake, we have got a wonderful set of faculties to clear all our doubts and to create a major change or major impact in our answer paper. And we were constantly being tested with almost 200 worksheets, and those were like easy, tough and moderate problems to assess ourselves. By the way, we were just molded up with various exams like JEE, NEET, etc. And also those includes our CBSE exams. First of all, we were provided with almost concept depth, concept width, etc. and were rightly feeded with some typical competitive questions. I think at last and finally, I would like to thank all my faculties and my coaching center for providing me right awareness at right time and some conceptual and clarity, a bit practical mind, and of course, a caliber of the best PMD students. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shalini. I am a NEET aspirant and I completely followed the guidance of E4U team. When the government announced lockdown all over the country, I completely lost my confidence how I am going to appear for NEET examination with very full effective preparation. But in those pandemic situation also, E4U team approached each and every student individually and they brought us back to the track. And we wrote 80 to 85 test papers and we had a lot of doubt clarification sessions. Those sessions went very effectively, and we were in contact with the teachers and they let us to ask doubts anytime. They doesn't matter, they doesn't bother about whatever the time it is. And at the last of our exam preparation, the classes conducted by E4U team made a very great impact on our preparation on our exams, because those classes built up our confidence level to the top. With that confidence level, I wrote my exams very well. Thank you for E4U team for being a backbone of our preparation. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, sirs. நான் பிரகதீஸ்வர், NEET aspirant. முதல்ல நம்ம E4 ஃபேக்கல்ட்டிஸ்க்கும் டீம்ஸ்க்கும் நான் மிகப்பெரிய தேங்க்ஸ் சொல்லிக்கிறேன் சார். ஏன்னா அந்த 2.5 year ஜேர்னி சார் என்னுடைய வாழ்க்கை டேர்னிங் பாயிண்ட். டேர்னிங் பாயிண்டில் இது மாதிரி ஒரு பெஸ்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டிஸ் கிடைப்பாங்கன்னு எல்லாருக்கும் சொல்ல முடியாது சார். அதுக்கு நான் ப்ளஸ்ஸு சொல்லலாம் சார், கண்டிப்பாக சொல்லலாம் சார். நான் எத்தனை ஒர்க் ஷீட், எத்தனை செஷன்ஸ், எத்தனை டவுட் கிளாஸ் செஷன்ஸ் இது மாதிரி எல்லாருக்கும் கிடைக்குமான்னு தெரியல சார் எனக்கு. ஆனால் நான் பிளெஸ்டு சார். நான் முக்கியமாக என்ன சொல்கிறதுனா அதுக்குள்ளே ஒரு பயம் இருந்துச்சு சார் எனக்கு. நான் 10th ஸ்டேட் போர்ட்ஸு, நான் அப்போ பார்த்த வே ஆஃப் லேர்னிங் வேறு சார். 12th வந்து சிபிஎஸ்சி மாறினேன் சார். நான் அப்போ வந்து சின்ன பயம் இருந்துச்சு சார், நம்மளால் முடியுமான்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ஆனால் அதையும் மீறி நான் ஒரு தூரம் படித்து வந்திருக்கேன்னா அது காரணம் கண்டிப்பாக நம்ம ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி சொல்லலாம் சார். நம்ம ஒரு கிளாஸ் ஆரம்பிக்கும் போதும் ஒரு சின்ன மோட்டிவேஷன் ஆரம்பிக்கும் சார் நீங்கள். அதே மாதிரி நம்மளோட ப்ளஸ் பாயிண்ட் என்ன பண்ண தெரியுமா சார்? நான் அந்த இன்ட்ராக்ஷன் சார், அந்த இன்ட்ராக்ஷன்ஸ் வந்து வெறும் டீச்சர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் மூலிகை மாதிரி இல்லை சார், ஃப்ரெண்ட்லி இன்ட்ராக்ஷன் சார். அது சார் இன்னொன்று அதிகமாக படிக்க தோணுச்சு சார் எனக்கு. முக்கியமாக 2 AM கால்ஸ், 3 AM கால்ஸ், 12 PM ரிப்ளைஸ் இது மாதிரி எல்லாருக்கும் கிடைக்குமா எல்லாம் கண்டிப்பாக தெரியல சார் எனக்கு. இது மாதிரி கிடைக்கிறத நம்ம கொடுத்துருக்கோங்க சார். நான் ரொம்ப பிளெஸ்டு சார். ரொம்ப தேங்க்யூ சார். கண்டிப்பாக இதுக்கெலாம் என்ன செய்ய போகிறேன்னு தெரியல சார். ஆனால் கண்டிப்பாக என்னால் முடிஞ்சது நான் கண்டிப்பாக செய்வேன் சார்.
Hi everyone, this is Niharna, a student from MIRS and a student of E4U institution. I just want to take this opportunity to thank all of my teachers without whom I wouldn't have performed my NEET exam this good. From day one to this very day, they have worked so hard and were putting in all of their energy and effort in helping us to learn concepts, solve questions and made all the subjects interesting and easy to learn. They constantly guided me and consistently supported me through these precious years of mine. What is more overwhelming is that they put in so much pain and effort in understanding me as a person, and they guided me according to my ability and potential. They never gave up on me, and that made me sustain through these hard days. Even during this lockdown, we had daily interactions, we had many online classes, doubt clarifying sessions. They even tried different techniques like on-spot sessions, electrifying sessions, rapid fire question sessions and many more, which helped us learn with fun. They also conducted many test series. We wrote about 85 tests, which include both part tests and full portion tests. The part tests enabled us to dwell deep into the concepts, and even the questions were framed in that way. The full portion test taught us time management, and it helped us to revise our concepts again and again, and it increased our confidence to a next level. They even conducted the tests at afternoon sessions so that we were able to adapt ourselves to the test day timings. They care about such minute things, and that they strive for perfection. I really thank all of my teachers, and even I thank the God for giving me some of the best teachers of the world. Thank you sir, thank you ma'am, thank you everyone.